This is the Redmi A1, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can check your cellular data usage on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings and enter the network and internet category. After that, choose for which SIM card you would like to check the mobile data usage, either SIM1 or SIM2, and tap on it. And in here, if there is any, mobile data used, this little app data usage field will be active and will be tappable. In my case, I guess for both SIM cards it is not. Oh, already, yeah. For the second SIM card there is some cellular data used, so I can access this page. And in here you'll be able to see a detailed breakdown and graphs on how much data have been used in any chosen amount of time, as well as who are the users of those mobile data, which apps, which services, and etc. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.